guys, welcome to our channel Engineering Striker. Today this is our first video on the engineering software platform that is known as AutoCAD. So today we will going to discuss about a slight introduction on AutoCAD and its some of the features, and moving forward we will going to discuss and read about the commands in details. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, so here this is the AutoCAD screen, and there is you can see the insert bars. This is basically AutoCAD Mechanical 2023 software, and here you can see a couple of templates here, so that we will going to see in the upcoming videos. Now today I am going to start on how to open the file. So here you can see I have came into the command. This is basically our workspace where we generally do the drafting and 2D drawings making and all. So in the upcoming videos in this AutoCAD learning session, we will going to discuss about all the 2D commands, its features, the editing properties, how to give the dimensions, and what all other smart commands that will help us to achieve our mechanical drawing and its aspects. So guys, this video or this session will be continued in future. Thanks for watching our video. Do like and subscribe, and do share your feedbacks, because this is our first video, and moving forward we'll be sharing more for all the students and the freshers in the mechanical engineering field. Thanks everyone.